If both thermal cameras have the same 160 by 120 native resolution, why does one cost more than the other? The FLIR C5 gives you a built-in screen, Wi-Fi, cloud support, and a 5-megapixel visual camera. The FLIR ONE Pro is much smaller and adds 480 by 360 super resolution, MSX, and VividIR. So which one is actually the smarter buy? Let's compare them side by side. Let's start with the FLIR C5. The FLIR C5 is designed for users who want a complete standalone thermal camera. It has a built-in 3.5-inch touchscreen, so you can view thermal images without connecting a smartphone. The C5 uses a 160 by 120 infrared sensor and also includes a 5-megapixel visual camera. Its MSX technology combines thermal and visual details to make images easier to understand. The C5 can measure temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. It also includes Wi-Fi and FLIR Ignite cloud support, giving you more ways to store and manage thermal images. For durability, the C5 has an IP54 rating and a listed 2-meter drop rating. It weighs about 190 grams and has its own built-in battery with around 4 hours of runtime. Overall, the C5 offers a more complete standalone setup, especially if you want a built-in screen, longer runtime, and a more rugged design. Now let's look at the FLIR ONE Pro. The FLIR ONE Pro takes a very different approach. Instead of having its own display, it connects to a compatible smartphone and uses the phone screen to show thermal images. It also has a 160 by 120 native infrared sensor. However, it adds 480 by 360 super resolution, along with MSX and VividIR image features. These features are designed to provide more detailed thermal images from the small sensor. The ONE Pro can measure temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, with an extended range up to 400 degrees Celsius. It weighs only about 36.5 grams, making it much smaller and easier to carry than the C5. The main trade-off is power and phone dependence. The ONE Pro has around 1 hour of battery life, and you need a compatible smartphone to use it. So while the ONE Pro is much more portable, the C5 may be better suited to longer inspection sessions where you want a standalone device. Now the key differences are clear. Both cameras have the same 160 by 120 native infrared resolution. However, the ONE Pro adds 480 by 360 super resolution, while the C5 gives you a built-in 3.5-inch touchscreen and a 5-megapixel visual camera. The C5 also has Wi-Fi and FLIR Ignite cloud support. It offers IP54 protection and a 2-meter drop rating, while the ONE Pro is much smaller and lighter. Battery life is another major difference.
The C5 offers around 4 hours of runtime, while the ONE Pro offers around 1 hour. For portability, the ONE Pro has the clear advantage, but for standalone use, durability, screen size, and longer inspection sessions, the C5 offers more features in one device. For price and value, the exact choice depends on the current price difference. The ONE Pro can make more sense if you already have a compatible smartphone and mainly need a compact thermal camera. The C5 offers more complete hardware in one device.
So which one should you choose? If you want a standalone thermal camera with its own screen, longer battery life, Wi-Fi, cloud support, and rugged protection, the FLIR C5 is the stronger overall choice. But if you want something extremely small, lightweight, and phone-based, the FLIR ONE Pro remains a strong option. Its super resolution feature also gives it an advantage for users who want more detailed thermal images. Overall, the FLIR C5 is better suited to professional and regular inspection use, while the FLIR ONE Pro is a strong option for portability and quick DIY checks. Which one would you choose, the FLIR C5 or FLIR ONE Pro? Let us know in the comments below. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and product details. Thanks for watching.